Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever before: cybersecurity. In today's digital age, where we rely heavily on technology for everything from banking to communication, protecting ourselves online is absolutely essential. So why exactly is cybersecurity so crucial in today's world? Let's break it down. The internet, while offering incredible benefits, also presents a landscape of potential threats. Hackers, malware, and data breaches are just a few examples of the dangers lurking online. These threats can have severe consequences, both for individuals and organizations. Individual impacts: identity theft. Hackers can steal your personal information, leading to financial losses, damaged credit scores, and even difficulty securing employment. Privacy violations. Data breaches can expose your private information, compromising your online privacy and potentially leading to targeted scams or harassment. Financial loss. Malware can steal your financial information, leading to unauthorized transactions and significant financial losses. Organizational impacts. Data breaches. Businesses can suffer major financial losses and reputational damage due to data breaches. Disruption of operations. Cyber attacks can disrupt critical business operations, leading to lost productivity and revenue. Loss of intellectual property. Businesses can lose valuable trade secrets and intellectual property to cyber criminals. As you can see, the potential consequences of neglecting cybersecurity are significant. But the good news is, there are steps we can all take to protect ourselves online. Use strong and unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. Be cautious about clicking on links or opening attachments in emails, especially from unknown senders. Keep your software and operating systems up to date with the latest security patches. Invest in a reputable antivirus and anti-malware program. By taking these simple steps and staying informed about cybersecurity best practices, we can significantly reduce our online risks and navigate the digital world with more confidence. Remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and by working together, we can create a safer online environment for everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and discussions. Until next time, stay safe online.